Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to make a morph transition in a Canva tutorial. To make this transition, open Canva and add an image. Right-click on the image and select Duplicate. Adjust the duplicate image over the first image. Click on Edit and then select the Background Remover option on the right side. Adjust this image over the previous one. In the text section, select Text Design, add a heading on the design. Type your text and customize it on the right side. Place the text in the center of the image and right-click on it. Go to Layer and select Send Backward in the Further options. In the Element tab, search for any background like space. Add it to your design and adjust it all over the design. Click on the Position button and in the side pane, go to Layers. Drag the background layer to the bottom so that the text and image will show. Click the Edit button and go to Adjust. Edit the image with the light options. Right-click on the page at the bottom and select Duplicate Image. Edit the image according to your requirements and then decrease the transparency of the page. Again, duplicate the page and click the transition icon. Choose any transition effects and set the duration of the transition. Add transition again between other pages with the duration. Now play it to ensure the smooth transition of these pages. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.